the fact that no police authority picked this up, no one actually laid the clues, I think actually to me is a sign of a wider problem that effectively our justice system processes are not up to the modern era. No way are they. More recently, yesterday, as you know, it was announced that the law wouldn't be tried in the UK for my sons and many other deaths. And that to me is also a symptom of our legal systems just not coping with this type of crime. This is unprecedented, and I can kind of accept that as it's unprecedented, then kind of people are learning as they go through. But what we're trying to do is squeeze the shape of this case into the wrong shaped hole, rather than change the hole to make sure that in similar cases, like as they continue to occur, that we, as in the legal process, law enforcement, prosecution, government processing, Department of Health, Department of Science, Innovation, Technology, etc., are up to date, and they're able to identify these things, shut them down, make sure they don't happen again. Or in other words, keep in this type of case when you're talking about people's lives, actually meet their duty to protect their citizens. I see these decisions as really people not thinking about the root cause and just going after the symptoms, and again just trying to fit it to today or yesterday's shape. It's immensely frustrating that there doesn't seem to be any effort to really understand the lessons here and to apply those lessons. It's quite apparent to me, and the way I measure that is I still hear from parents who've lost people. Recently, a wife who's lost her husband. It's exactly the same pattern. Exactly the same pattern. It's not law because he's been shut away for 2 years, thank God. But it's other people, and it still astonishes me that it kind of embarrasses me, to be honest, when I hear about somebody who's recently lost somebody. Why, after 4.5, nearly 5 years after Tom's death, this still happened?